Hey everyone, my name is Allison Solvent and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Westminster, British Columbia, which is on the west coast of Canada. And I'm here today to share an exciting join offer for Stampin' Up! And to join my team, Canada Inks Up. I have been a demonstrator for over 21 years. I have members of my community from coast to coast. There's about 150 of us, and we get together online and in person if you live near me, but we have Zoom gatherings and we have lots of fun. There is a fabulous join offer coming during Sale-a-bration 2024. It starts on January 4th and it runs through to February 29th. There are two options. Very exciting. I like it when there's options and you can pick which one works for you best. The first option is a very special new product called the Glass Mat. Let me get the right name here. Stampin Glass Mat Studio. I'm going to show you those products in a minute. It's worth $82 retail, and you can get that free by selecting it along with your other products in your starter kit. The starter kit is $135. There's no shipping on it, so you're going to save another $14 there. If you live in a province that has HST, a combined harmonized sales tax, there's no tax. If you live in a province that has PST and GST, you'll pay the PST but no GST. So it's a really big savings on your products. Now for $135, no shipping, perhaps no taxes, you can pick anything you want from any catalog, online clearance rack, whatever you'd like, valued at $165. So you're going to get a really good deal there. During Sale-a-bration, however, you can choose option number 2, which is to add $41 to that starter kit. So instead of receiving $165, you're going to receive $165 plus 41, so $201. Again, no shipping and possibly no tax. So very exciting. I'd like to tell you a little bit about my why you might want to join. The number one reason that people join is to get a personal discount. So whenever I make a purchase or whenever I sell something to somebody, I earn or I save 20% minimum on all the products. That's a minimum savings. It goes up depending on how much you spend or how much is purchased from you. So that's the number one reason. I think the number two reason that I've heard from my customers and my team members is that whole sense of a crafting community, getting together with other people with like-minded interests. We learn from each other, we share. That is just so much fun. And fun is a word that I hear a lot from my team members when we either stamp together virtually or in person. So those are kind of the big thing. Joining my team, I have lots of experience. I can help people if they want to hold classes or other events. I have lots of ideas and I can share this with you. But many members of my community, my Canada Inks Up community, purchase for themselves. They're what I like to call happy shoppers. And they purchase to get their own discount. And that is perfectly acceptable and perfectly fine. Everybody is welcome in our community. When you join, everybody who joins my team receives a ebook. It has 52 craft stamping ideas. So everybody gets that. It's not a special that I'm just giving out willy-nilly. It is everybody who joins gets that. We have monthly gatherings where we get together and share some ideas. We always have a crafting demonstration from one of our members of our team, and I always learn something new. And we have games and, of course, prizes. So those are some of the benefits for joining my particular team and for joining Stampin' Up. Now I'd like to share with you the fabulous product that you can pick as a new demonstrator. So let me go over here. Here is the glass mat It is fantastic. It is quite wide. I believe it is. Let's measure it just to make sure. Oh, maybe it says here 17. Holy, 17 inches by 14 inches. Huge area to work on. You'll see here that it does have grid lines, just like our grid paper. Along the bottom is an imperial measurement, and up the side, the left side, and then on the top and down the right side is a metric. Now, I live in Canada. Even though we're a metric country, we new members will receive the imperial measurement on the bottom. Okay. If you prefer to use imperial, you can just flip it over and use, the metric, and you can use the metric. Okay. What I love about this, it's thin. I hope you can see that. It's not a thick, it's not super thick, but it's thick enough. And what I love about it is it's so substantial. Like it's heavy, but it's not cumbersome. It's going to stay in place. It's also got little feet on it on all four corners, which makes it extremely sturdy. That's my table, not the plate. Okay. Love that. We've got this strip here of plain glass. I'll show you what that's about in a minute. Let me show you some of the other products. So you get the glass mat, but you also get a cleaning cloth. This is reusable. You just add water and wipe. You don't need any chemicals, which is really great. Nice big size too. I love that. So you can clean your stamps and you can clean your mat. And then it also comes with this fabulous silicone mat. Okay. It sticks where you put it. And if you turn it over, well, I didn't press it down hard enough. Let me press it down. When you turn it over, it doesn't come off. Okay. This is live, people. So it's all good. Now, what are all these little compartments for? This one here is really helpful for cleaning perhaps your blending brushes. You can get in there and clean. These areas here are great for if you want to do any coloring medium. So you could put some re-inker in there, for instance, or perhaps the Stampin' Right marker. You could scribble in there, and then you could pick up your ink with one of our water painters. The other great thing about this is so fun, is it is exactly the right size for our Stampin' Spots. If you are a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, or if you've purchased our uninked spots, you can get those in the catalog. They'll fit right in here. And look, again, not coming out. Isn't that great? Love that. This little area here is also a space where you can add your inks, or you can take your spots and put some ink and then pick it up. So just a place to mix your mediums. This one here is also a great size if you want to just put your regular size Stampin' Pad there. It moves, but it's in a place where it's handy, and it's off of your workspace, because we can put that up in the corner. Okay. You can also, I said I'd promise to show you this side. You can also take your re-inker, for instance. This is, I just grabbed one, Granny Apple Green. You could put that right on there. You can go ahead and pick that up with your marker. Let's pick it up with a painter here. Hope I've got some, yeah, I've got some ink in here. So you can just get this, you can blend it here, and then you'll have your paper here, and you can go ahead and color. Okay, you can add all different colors here. We could add a Stampin' Right marker. Sometimes you want to do that. And you want to scribble it on there, and you want to pick it up with a water brush. You could add different colors and blend, which is really great. You could take your ink pad and just add that there. And then I can pick up my brush, grab it, and go ahead and add it to my project, just like so. It's really great. So this is all, you're able to clean this, is what I'm trying to say. It's going to just take, you're going to take that, you're just going to clean it up. and it's going to come clean. Okay, so just have to work at it. I put a little bit too much on there, but you get the idea, right? So we're going to clean that up. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. And like I said, you just go to the sink and just add some water and clean that right off of your cleaning here we go. And it'll come out and you can start all over again. Just water. Okay. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, it's tempered glass, which means that if you want to do some heat embossing, you can actually turn you've got your paper with your, what you're embossing, and look at this. I can do this and nothing's going to happen to this glass. Okay, it's tempered glass. Isn't that great? It doesn't even get hot, really. There we go. That's fun. I just got this yesterday, so I haven't had time to play with it. So I actually was doing all of that live without practicing, as you can tell. Okay, so love that. Look at that. It's all beautiful and clean again. So that's your choice. You can receive this for free. It's valued at $82 retail, and you get all 3 pieces. That's option number 1. And then option number 2 is adding the $41 to your starter kit and receiving more product. Okay, so that's a really quick overview. And like I said, I didn't practice, but I wanted to show you. It's so fabulous and it's so great. And I really would love to invite you to join my community. We love getting together, and I know you'll be happy with a bunch of other paper crafters. Thank you so much for watching my video. The links to join my team are in the video. And if you have any questions, of course, please reach out to me at stampwithallison@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much. Happy stamping, everybody.